In the attached materials is a spreadsheet named Ranges. Within the Ranges spreadsheet, the very first tab is the problem. Here in the problem, we're going to illustrate what goes wrong with ranges. To start, click on cell B2. We're going to enter the VLOOKUP formula into this cell. In the formula bar, I type equals VLOOKUP, begin parentheses, followed by the parameters. We want to look up value A2. We want to reference it against the range E2 through E7. There's only one column, so we want column 1. And we want an exact match, so we use false. Double-click on the little black box in the lower right corner of cell B2 to have it auto-fill down the rest of the column. With the column filled in, we can see a problem occurring at rows 4, 5, and 6. It exists in both lists, but yet it is returning NA. NA, in context of VLOOKUP, means that it was not found. So we need to investigate and find out why my list did not return those rows. After selecting cell B2, in the Formulas tab, click on Trace Precedence. Trace Precedence will tell us what information goes into returning the result in B2 of row 1. The Trace Precedence button gives us E2 through E7 as being the source that returns the result of row 1 in cell B2. Remember, VLOOKUP looks at cell A2 and tries to find it in the range that we specified E2 through E7. It did find it in column 1, so that's why it's returning row 1. Here, everything is working exactly as we intend. To dig further into it, we can click the FX button up next to the formula bar. In the function arguments box, we have exactly what we just described. Lookup value of A2, a table array of E2 through E7, the column index of 1, and a range lookup of false. That is exactly what we intended, just as we saw in the trace precedence. I click on a cell with a value of NA. Let's trace that one and see where it leads us. Again, I click on the Trace Precedence button. I also click on the FX button. Here, with all the data in front of me, I can see where the problem's at. It's correctly looking up the value of A5, the column index is correct, and we do want an exact match, so range lookup is correct. Our problem comes in with the table array. The table array, as we copy and pasted down the column, moved. So we are missing part of the table. There is, however, a way to fix this. The cells I copied to were in column B, rows 3 through 8. So highlighting rows B3 through B8 by left-clicking and dragging down to select them all, I need to delete them to clear them out. That can be done by simply pressing delete. After it's been deleted, let's take a look at the tab titled Freezing with a $sign. Click on that tab.